We are living in a creator's economy. All around us are content creators who wish to bring the best of content for their audience, no matter how big or small. And what does a good content creator need? He needs a good PC setup. So today, we have the Asus ProArt PC for all your content creation needs. Check it out right now. What we have sitting royally on the table is the new Asus Behemoth ProArt PC, which goes above and beyond to cater to every creator's need. Viewers should note that this PC build is not a pre-built variant but an assembled one, which allows users to have full flexibility with what kind of components they need for their content creation. It's running on Intel's latest 13th Gen Core i5 processor, which is capable of competing neck to neck with the 12th Gen i7 processors. While the design of the CPU in all its RGB glory is a treat for the eyes, the motherboard sitting inside is what truly makes the ProArt build stand out. So let's talk about that motherboard, shall we? The motherboard supporting this ProArt PC is the all-powerful ProArt Z790 Creator Wi-Fi. Before we can jump right into what this motherboard offers in the specification section, allow me to show you what impressed me the most and even took me by surprise: the connectivity options. It is truly baffling to me as to how many connectivity ports we have here. So let's jump right in. We've got two display ports with input for Thunderbolt 4. We have got one HDMI 2.1 which supports 4K at 60Hz. We have got two Thunderbolt 4 ports. We have got 10 GB and 2.5 GB Ethernet ports. We have got 6 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, Wi-Fi 6E, one BIOS flashback button, 5 audio jacks, one USB 3.2 Gen 2, 2 Type-C front panel connector with 60V quick charge 4+, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 header, 8 SATA 6GBs, 2 USB 2.0 headers, and 3 Aura addressable Gen 2 headers. This motherboard is designed to bring in maximum productivity with ultra-fast networking thanks to Wi-Fi 6E and 10 GB and 2.5 GB Ethernet. It also comes equipped with Asus AI overclocking, which profiles the CPU and cooling to predict the optimal configuration and push the system to its optimal configuration. While I can go on and on about the motherboard of the ProArt PC, what we also have here is the Asus TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 490 OC Edition. Leading the race in the GPU market, Nvidia has unleashed their next-gen RTX 4090, which is the third iteration of RTX, codenamed Ada Lovelace. The intention with RTX 490 is crystal clear: to blow the last series out of the water and leave main contender in the dust. RTX 490 boasts a whopping 16384 CUDA cores, 24 GB VRAM, 512 Tensor cores, and 128 RT cores. In the spotlight today, we have the Asus TUF Gaming RTX 490 OC Edition, which is present in this ProArt PC build. One of the main custom 490s on the market. Just like the previous generations of TUF Gaming graphic cards, we have distinct gunmetal shroud and minimum RGB lighting. This card comes with a beastie triple fan cooler and a factory overclock. While I can go on and on about the technical specifications of this beast of a graphic setup, I would like to show you what it implies in your real-time usage as a creator. Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090 OC Edition allows user to have a faster rendering performance with its 24 GB GDDR6S video memory. There are other notable components in the ProArt setup like the ROG RYUJIN 2 360 AIO cooler and the Team Group TCREATE DDR5 Expert RAM, which is designed to ensure PC stability. When you look at all your needs as a creator, there is nothing one cannot do with a powerful setup like this one. Here was the amazing ProArt PC setup by Asus. Let us know what you think about this one down in the comments while I go spend some more time with this beastly setup.